Hi there, this is Christine Collins with Transform Create, and I wanted to share a little bit of an insight that I had this week that I found to be really helpful, and perhaps you will also. So, one new practice that I've been doing recently is whenever something happens, so things are always happening, some things that happen immediately feel very good, and we're kind of like, yeah, this is exactly what I would want. I want to celebrate this, small or large. And other times, something happens that feels like bad news. Um, and this technique is more for some of the smaller things that go wrong sometimes in our worlds. Um, it probably could be applied to some of the bigger things, but there are other techniques that I would actually recommend for like larger scale challenges. So something that I've started doing is whenever something happens that I feel disappointed about or frustrated or unhappy about, I try to think about it as how could I see this as something that is actually working out for me? So if I start with the basic premise, the basic belief that things are always working out for me and that the universe is always kind of unfolding the next best thing for me, um, then whenever something goes wrong or it seems like it's going wrong, I can actually choose to look at that and understand. This is not like, refusing to look at reality. This is not just a simple reframing. This is actually internalizing the understanding that things are always working out for me. And therefore, there must be a reason in some way that this is to my benefit. Otherwise, it wouldn't have happened. So, just to give you a few kind of concrete examples from my week, um, last week I had a pretty challenging week, honestly. Had some family things going on, and then there were like all these little things that kept happening along the way. And of course, a lot of that was just vibrational because I was already upset about the family stuff, and so my vibration was lower than it usually is, which is pretty high. Um, and so I was like driving to a yoga class and had exactly enough time to get there, and normally, would get there even a few minutes early. And there was this crazy big construction, like totally unexpected. It wasn't an accident, it wasn't traffic. It was like in the middle of the day for no good reason, construction completely blocking any path. Um, that there was no way to go unless I was to go like a half an hour out of my way, and then, certainly would have missed the class anyhow. So I didn't make it. And then my husband got a speeding ticket. And then there was something else. There's all these like, little things that kind of kept coming up that I was getting more and more frustrated. But when I stepped out of that frustration and allowed myself to understand the truth of the fact that things are always working out for me, I was able to recognize that, perhaps there was a good reason that I needed to miss that yoga class. Perhaps, if I had been able to continue on that path, maybe whatever it was they were fixing in the road would have caused more of a problem for me. And, some of these little things that are so disappointing or frustrating or, kind of put a damper on our day. They're not necessarily like end of the world, life shattering stuff, but collectively, they can sometimes dampen our vibration. And in allowing that to occur, it's almost like then we just kind of keep going down the same road and more frustrating things continue to join our experience. Whereas if instead we shift that focus to how could this be working out for me? Well, there's a number of different scenarios I could come up with that would make it make sense for these things to have happened. Like there's a yoga instructor, there's only one at my studio that I really don't like. Um, and sometimes she subs for the class that I go to, and I never enjoy those classes. And it's possible she may have been subbing that day, and I never did, look it up to see if that was the case. So if you kind of take it and turn it on its head, and instead of feeling, the vibration of man, things are just not working out for me today at all. Just kind of like hitting that pause button and recognizing that things are always working out for you. It may just be that we can't see it right in this moment because we don't have that big picture view to know the rest of the picture, the rest of the story. But that doesn't mean that things aren't working out. So I hope you found this to be helpful. It's a little tool that I have used several times and found it to be very beneficial. So I hope you find it helpful also, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day.